Welcome to Frost & Sullivan's Growth Podcast. In each episode, we take a deeper look at transformative shifts shaping global ecosystems, from industry megatrends and technology innovation to evolving customer expectations. Today, we're exploring how industry leaders are driving growth with sustainable innovation and the circular economy, unpacking where the next wave of opportunity is unfolding and what it means for future-ready businesses.
Sustainability as a growth imperative. Across sectors, sustainability has shifted from a compliance checkbox to a core growth driver. The circular economy is no longer a concept slide. It's a set of choices about where to invest, how to repurpose assets, and which partnerships create scale. From biochemicals and algae-based carbon capture to palm oil waste to energy and bio-based surfactants, leaders are proving that environmental priorities and commercial feasibility can and must move together. Where does your sustainability agenda directly link to revenue, margin, or risk reduction today? Not in theory, but in this year's plan.
Biochemicals, from research to revenue. A global chemicals player needed clarity on where bio-based growth would actually convert. We ran a global scan across universities, startups, and corporates, weighing more than 40 biochemicals for research intensity, commercialization readiness, and ecosystem momentum. The result was a decision-ready portfolio, high-potential targets, partner shortlists, and a path from lab talk to market traction. Is your innovation pipeline aligned with the most bankable bio-based opportunities, or spread thin across interesting science with limited lift?
Algae at scale, validating carbon capture and energy yield. An algae tech company sought validation for a large-scale cultivation system capturing emissions from a coal plant in Indonesia. We completed a full technology audit and benchmarked their approach against global competitors. The outcome, a clear positioning report, built investor confidence and accelerated renewable expansion. What proof points, technical, economic, and comparative, will unlock capital and partnerships for your next sustainability step?
Palm oil waste to energy, building a national roadmap. A Malaysian agency needed a credible, investable path to turn agricultural waste into energy. Through surveys, interviews, and techno-economic analysis, we validated feedstock, benchmarked technologies, and assembled a scalable implementation plan. The roadmap was integrated into Malaysia's national key economic areas, anchoring circular economy policy with operational reality. Which waste streams in your value chain could be upgraded into energy or materials, and what policy or consortium structure would make it scalable?
Repurposing idle biodiesel assets, green surfactant pathways. Idle capacity is a cost until you reframe it as an entry ticket to a new market. A Malaysian biodiesel producer explored converting assets to manufacture methyl ester sulfonate, MES, a sustainable surfactant for detergents. We sized demand, mapped the value chain, and identified detergent partners. A go-no-go framework led to a long-term partnership and a new revenue stream. Which underutilized assets could you repurpose into circular products with faster time to market than building greenfield capacity?
Why this matters, from pilots to scale. The renewable transition rewards organizations that pair foresight with de-risk decisions. Success depends on 3 moves. Pick the right wedge, where economics and policy line up, prove it with credible validation, technical and commercial, and align partners who can scale. Get those right, and sustainability becomes a growth engine, not a cost center. What's your next scale move? Validation, partnership, or asset conversion? And what would make that decision frictionless?
That's all for today on Frost & Sullivan's Growth Podcast. For full access to the Growth Opportunity webinar, featured speakers, and actionable tools to support your vision alignment journey, check out the episode links. To learn how Frost & Sullivan can help your organization align vision with opportunity, visit frost.com. Until next time, stay future-focused and growth-ready.